Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to make TikTok video of 60 second or longer than 15 second. So how can you create this video, longer video? In this tutorial I will show you that. So at first I open my TikTok profile, there you can see. Now I need to click on the bottom middle option, there have a plus icon, just select this, and now there you can see on the top is selected 15 second. I just need to select 60 second or 3 minute. I just select 60 second. So what should you do after select your 60 second? Then you can create a 60 second video or longer than 15 second video. So guys, in this way just press and then make your video like that 15 second. So guys, in this way you can create a longer video more than 15 second. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.